We all love gadgets, and there are some really cool ones out there that you can actually buy. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the coolest gadgets that you can get your hands on. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Number 1. Portal Gauntlets. All you need is a huge gauntlet to feel like an all-powerful superhero. It's futuristic minimalism. Tony Stark must have made this armor based on its style, together with the embedded LED panels. This excellent design benefits from a clear central chamber. In addition, the lights accommodate 2 distinct. Blue and orange are the colors. A toggle switch on the gauntlet allows you to instantly activate them. Dim the lights and alter the color mode. Aluminum and tough plastic are used to make the gauntlet by hand. There is only one size available, and practically everyone can wear it. The device is battery powered. You won't need to be concerned about charging. You have other responsibilities as a superhero. Number 2. MetMo Grip. In reality, everything new is well forgotten old. The patent for this adjustable wrench served as it's almost a century old. It's incredibly simple to use thanks to the smooth and comfortable sliding action. Size the clamp accordingly. Additionally, the jaws are held in place firmly by the automated locking. The wrench is made of carbon steel, anodized aluminum, and stainless steel and is machined too. Remarkable toughness, and it's not just a wrench either. Simply turn this thing over to become a box or bottle opener. It might also serve as a fidget toy for you. The device is reasonably small, therefore, it will fit in your bag with no issues, or just attach it with a belt hook. Number 3. Wowstick Mini Pen Drill. This drill is unquestionably the most fashionable one ever. It is so little and light that you thought it was a pen. Additionally, using it is simple, just press and hold under your thumb a button. The drill includes 8 interchangeable bits. You may employ these to work with a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. With thanks, this item is as smooth and strong as they come thanks to its one-piece molding and all-aluminum construction. It charges over a USB-C connector and operates for about 2 hours. Amazing device. Number 4. Tactical Pen. A tactical pen should be just as helpful as a knife for self-defense. This choice distinguishes out with a very simple and timeless style. The tool is machined, which is crucial, an incredibly durable titanium alloy. The pen is incredibly easy to hold thanks to its flat edges, even when it is only employed for writing. Additionally, it has a built-in pocket clip that secures the pen in place, connected to either your jacket or shirt. There are several options available if you wish to give this pen a slightly different appearance. A stylish variation in gradient color. This kind of tool combines style and toughness in one package. Number 5. Voice Recorder. When you need to capture something, a good voice recorder is essential. No matter if it's a lecture, this device enables surround recording within a 164 feet radius, whether for a concert or just a crazy idea. It merely requires a button press. The instrument is essentially lighter sized, making it simple to use. Matches your pocket. A TF card can increase the internal storage capacity of 8 GB. Your entries are automatically given names and categories, so you can locate the precise one you require. Just create a password if security concerns you. In addition, this device supports MP3 and WAV as recording formats. There is a micro USB port on it for charging, as well as data transfer and a headphone jack. Perhaps even